Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go, and welcome to the tutorial RxJava. In the previous videos we have seen the basics of RxJava and the main components of RxJava like observable, observer, and the connection between two is subscription. And we have seen a small demo also. So in this video we will see what are the types of operators. So there are three types of operators in RxJava. So here you can see one type of operators is used for creating observables. So examples like just operator, create operator, from array operator, range operator. And there are other two types of operators, like the one more type of operator will filter the data emitted by an observable. So operators like debounce, filter, skip, last, etc. And the third type is it creates an observable by transforming the data emitted by another observable. We can take operators examples like buffer, map, flat map, switch map, compose. So these are the main operators and the three types of operators: creating observables, filtering data, and creating an observable by transforming data from another observable. So in this video we will take a just operator and create observable using just operator. Observable dot just. As you can see, just will take a number of arguments. It can take max 10 arguments, item 1, item 2, item 3. So just for example, just pass integer arguments. And this observable.just will create an observable object. Just create a variable. So it will automatically create observable which emits an integer. So that's it. We have created an observable using just operator which will take a number of arguments. So if you connect this observable to any observer, then this observable will emit all these integers one by one. Let's create one observer which will take obviously integer. So every observer should implement certain methods. Just implement those. So as you can see, on subscribe, on next, on error, and on complete. And let's save this in a variable observer. And every time observable will call on next method in observer by passing a value. Let's print value here. Just prefix with my channel name so that we can search it. And at last it will call on complete method after emitting all numbers in observable. And now let's connect both observable and observer. Observable dot subscribe and pass observer. That's it. Now the observable will emit all these numbers one by one when it gets a subscriber. So on whenever it gets a subscriber, then only it will emit. Let's execute this program and we will see our results. So here as you can see the output, we have got all numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and at last completed. So this is how we will create an observable using just operator. Just operator will take a number of arguments up to 10. So suppose let's say we created an integer variable, integer array, Let's create an integer array and just pass this integer array to just. So here what happens? So in this case, it won't emit integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will consider this whole array as an item. So observable will emit whole item at once. It won't emit 1, 2, 3, 4 individually. So that's why it is saying the items data type is integer array. So we need to have an integer array here. So obviously then observer also should take a integer array. Integer array, and here also integer array. Observer integer array. So now we will get the whole array here. So now if you execute and see the result, you will get only one on next call. So because we have passed only one item to just method, so observable will emit whole array at once. So as you can see, skill set go, and we have printed the whole array, and it is printing as address and completed. So this is for just demo how the just method will take items. It won't consider this array and it won't emit one by one. It will just emit whole array at once. And we can pass a number of arrays here. We can pass any number of arrays. So whatever we pass here, it will consider as an item and it will emit the whole item at once. So this is how we will create observable using just operator. So in the coming videos, we will see what is create operator and what is from array operator and what is range operator. And in the following videos, we will learn the other operators as well. I hope you understood this video and understood the just operator, and please share and watch my videos. Thank you for watching.